Hi guys, this is my channel. I'm Kathleen and going to be showing you how to make these almond muffins. I have got 1 egg, and I have got 200 millilitres of milk, and then I can beat them together. Once the mixture is beaten, you can add in the 75 grams of melted butter. Now for the dry ingredients, I got 125 grams of caster sugar, I have got some 50 grams of ground almonds, now I have got the baking powder, and I could measure out a teaspoon. And I've also got some salt. It says a pinch of salt, and I could measure out a 1/4 teaspoon. And lastly, I've got some plain flour, which is 175 grams. To give all the dry ingredients a sieve through. So if you got lumps of ground flour in there, just give it a scrape through with the sieve. And now what I can do is give it a mix through. Give this a mix through like this. Once the dry mixture's gone like that, you can put it on top of the ingredients. So doing this with the spatula, you go you go roughly mix the wet and dry ingredients together. Now this is a liquidy batter. I'm going to transfer into a jug. Now I've got the batter into a jug. Now I'm going to do is put the batter for 2/3 full. I've got some 50 grams of flaked almonds. Now I'm going to scatter a few almonds on each muffin, not a lot. Now I've preheated the oven to 180 and I've put the almonds on top. Now you're just going to bake them for 20 minutes until it is brown enough. Look at these muffins. It has a ground almond in the batter and the flaked almonds on the top, so if you want to go for it then you have to try it and do it. It's easy. So if you like this video then don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what you think on this recipe. Bye.